I wish I could practice English language alone. Why I'm saying this? Because when I try to talk to someone, I feel hesitant, I feel low confidence, I feel fear, and I start getting doubt in my mind. So many things start happening with me when I try to talk to someone. So how can I improve English language? How can I talk to someone? And I have heard that if you can talk to someone, you can improve English language. Can I not improve this language alone? Can I not practice this language alone? Is there any way? Don't worry, my friend. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips so that you can practice this language alone. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language greatly. Before I start sharing with you my tips, I want you to listen carefully because some birds are chirping. It's so soothing, It's so amazing because I'm in my garden and it's afternoon time. It's quite difficult for me to record the video in afternoon time because when I record my video in afternoon time, so just because of the bright sunny day, I cannot see my mobile camera clearly. Okay, and that is why I cannot make the eye contact with my mobile camera. So this is the thing. So let's come on the topic that how to practice English language alone. My friend, let me share with you one interesting story. Actually, when I was a beginner, I wasn't able to utter a single sentence, to be honest. So how come I can speak this language fluently and confidently now? How did I do it? A girl who wasn't able to speak even a single sentence confidently, how come that girl can speak in front of many people without getting hesitation, without getting little bit fear also? How did this transformation happen? My friend, what I did, initially I started talking into mirror. Actually, it was very, very challenging for me. The way I'm saying, it was not that much easy, Actually, the very first day I closed my door and I tried to talk to myself into the mirror. I wasn't able to face the mirror also. I was thinking, am I mad? What I'm doing? Why I am doing like these kind of things? What will be the result? I mean, where these all things will take me? I had a lot of doubt and shy in my mind, and I was not sure that what I was doing. But I had heard from somewhere that if you do mirror practice, so you can improve English language. And for that reason, I started talking to myself. First day, it was awkward. I wasn't able to face myself because I had never ever done before. I had never ever talked myself before. Okay, I used to see my face for getting ready. That's what. I did not used to spend time with mirror, but now I spend time because mirror practice can improve our confidence and it can give us a lot of things. Okay, so I started talking to myself into mirror. That was the starting phase of my practice. So in your case also, have you ever tried to talk to yourself into the mirror? Have you ever? If not, then start talking to yourself. Start mirror practicing. My friend, you will see tremendous changes in your speaking and in your confidence also. To be honest, I was shy girl. I didn't know how to speak with my neighbors confidently and with my relatives also. Somehow I used to talk to my family member very confidently, thank God. But I wasn't able to talk to my neighbors. I wasn't able to put my ideas in front of people. It was too difficult. But once I started practicing into mirror, I found changes. I found that my confidence had started improving. And I would say that a lot of credit goes to this language also, because if I had not started learning this language, I may have not done these all things. Okay, so thanks to this language also. So yeah, where I started practicing into mirror. First thing what I did, I started speaking some words. I started introducing myself. And then after I started reading practice. So one thing or one point is to start practicing into mirror. Okay, this is the best way to practice this language alone. See, if you can practice alone good way, you will be able to practice, or you will be able to talk to anyone good way. You have to start these all things alone. Okay, so I started talking into mirror, and initial days were very difficult, but later on I started enjoying also. I wasn't able to spend 2 minutes also. I was thinking it's very difficult, but now I can talk to myself half an hour in front of mirror. I can see to myself and talk to myself into the mirror. Okay, because now I like talking to myself. A lot of changes have taken place. So in your case also, if you want to improve this language, first thing is start talking to yourself into mirror, and second thing is start reading. Yes, my friend, you heard me right. Because if you read, you don't need any co-learners, you don't need any partner, right? You just need one book. So you will not feel embarrassed, you will not feel shy, you will not feel fear if you read books, right? So I started reading books, and you don't have to stop there. After reading books, you have to explain. Either try to write, or try to speak into the mirror, or try to record yourself. Yes, I used to do these all things, and now also I do. When I read something, so if I don't share with someone, if I don't write something, I feel that okay, I'm forgetting. That is why most of the time, whatever I read, I try to share with people. I try to record in video. I try to write them down. These are all things I do. So in your case also, after reading, don't stop. Try to record one video. I know it will be difficult. Why? See, when I had started practicing this language, I wasn't able to send voice messages to anyone. It was easy for me to write, okay, but it wasn't easy for me to speak with my friends, that whatever message I had to share with them. But I started practicing, I started sending voice messages to my friend, and I found easy. Now I feel it's very easy to send voice messages. Okay, so everything depends on practice. If you practice enough, you will get mastery over them. Okay, but initially everything seems very difficult, right? We cannot even imagine that how we can get mastery over those difficult things. But once we practice, we can handle, we can manage. The way I am managing this language, I was too shy, I didn't know how to speak this language, and I have started learning this language from the scratch. मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था इस लैंग्वेज में, और पहले मैं ये भी नहीं कह पाती थी कि मुझे टेंसेस नहीं आते हैं, बट मैं अब फ्रैंकली कह सकती हूँ, क्योंकि तब मेरे पास गट्स नहीं था किसी चीज़ को कह पाना किसी से, बट नाउ आई कैन से व्हेन I completed my 12th standard, even my tenses were not clear because I wasn't able to ask to my teacher, or I wasn't able to understand them. But now I can say that now I know. And if I don't know anything, now I can say, because now I have guts to say to anybody that what I know and what I don't know. Earlier, I didn't know how to say that what I don't know, okay? But now I have confidence, So in your case also, if you want to become confident person, then start practicing, and these all things you have to start doing alone. See, if you jump into the war without being prepared, then the chances are you will lose that war. That war could be any kind of war. Okay, so you have to be well prepared. You have to sharpen your weapon to win the war, right? So before you jump into the practice, like talking to others, you have to practice alone. It will help you, okay? So that is why No matter you are going to talk on any stage, no matter you are going for interview, no matter you are going to talk to someone, you have to prepare yourself. Prepare doesn't mean you have to prepare point to point that this is what I'm going to say to that person, or this is what I'm going to record, this is what I'm going to say on the stage. No, you just have to practice anything, but talk to yourself into the mirror, talk to yourself, record yourself. Okay, so these all things will make you more confident, these all things will make you fluent. So this is the thing. As you can see, weather, it's very hot, my friend, very hot, scorching hot weather, and day by day it will be difficult to record my video, but it's okay. I know how to handle. I'll find way, right? Because once we search the way, we'll definitely find. So this is the thing. Here my buffaloes, they are tied, they are enjoying the weather. I mean, not weather, how can they enjoy the weather, because it's very hot. I mean, they are under the tree. See, this is the tree. I'm also under this tree and recording this video. So this is what I hope you may have got something from my video. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.